Based on the calls made in the future forecast videos, this person was able to cover their membership dues for the year based on just a single video's worth of content. This person was up 46.9% overnight. This person just sold and made $4,103 based on those calls as well. Bitcoin is just about officially broken down from our $40,000 structure support. This is not great news for Bitcoin traders and could signal a massive move down for about another 19% crash. Now, there may be a little short-term move up, but overall crashes is what we're expecting. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we're looking to catch the bottom of this Bitcoin move to maximize our profits in the bull run. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thank you so much for joining us today, and it is a great day. We've just released a brand new future forecast for you. Hold on. Bitcoin to crash another $7,000 to $14,000, plus alts with the highest projected gains in the next bull run. Now, this is going to be a full study. Today, Travis is going to start by showing you evidence of why crypto is crashing and address why this drop could happen 3 times faster than what we expected. He's going to give an in-depth study on which coins and tokens are due to give the greatest returns in the next bull market, which comes after this drop. Travis is going to set you up with this data so you can prepare now and invest accordingly so you're not left behind when the bull market rages. Now, this video and more is available under the Future Forecast tab on our website. I'll show you how to get access to that a little bit later in the video, but I do want to show you, based on the calls made in the Future Forecast videos, this person was able to cover their membership dues for the year based on just a single video's worth of content. This person was up 46.9% overnight. This person just sold and made $4,103 based on those calls as well. Do not miss out. Once again, I'll show you how to access later in the video. But for now, let's check out the Bitcoin metrics. Going straight into the analysis here, the Bitcoin Emotional Index has fallen into fearful territory. It is very rare when this happens, but as it does, it can be extremely bullish. Now, we have to pay attention here because bullish moves on the one-day time frame are likely to be invalidated by higher time frames. I'll show you that later as well, but bullish signals may actually be invalidated here. Next up, I want to show you the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. This is the 4th day in a row we've been in the breakout zone. Most often when we drop into the breakout zone, this is where we're seeing some crazy volatility in the market. Literally every single one of these saw really quick, sharp movements in the market before massive moves happened again. Because of that, as we're testing multiple structure supports, as especially yesterday, we broke through that $40,000, we should be expecting sharp moves to the downside based on other bearish signals. Next up, let's check out what whales are likely to do. Whale Smart Money metric shows strong long trade sentiment in this market, and this is not shocking. We've seen massive moves to the downside, and most often this means whales are going to buy the dip in order to catch the next move up. However, based on the next metric that I'm about to show you, I think this could actually be prolonged. Long trade sentiment is absolutely in the market, but we may actually have to wait until we see over 1,000 on this metric right back here before we actually see any moves up. Next, let's check out what whales are actively doing. With the whale money flow relative to price chart, we can see whale money is actively dropping out of the market. We saw a little bit of a move up, but as long as whale money continues dropping, I think we should be expecting drops in the general market as well. Once we get down to this level, I'm talking the 30 to 25, somewhere in here, this is where we should be expecting a possible bounce, at least in the short term, because a move down here means that whales have oversold and are likely to begin buying again. And once again, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. Next up is going to be the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. We have strong structure support at $38,000 after breaking through the $40,625 previous support. Now from here, there are some levels that we need to look at a little bit farther back, somewhere closer to the $32,000 level, but I'll show you that exact value on the live chart, so stay tuned for that. Last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. As the price drops, we will be looking for a buy signal. We warned everyone that this buy signal is likely to be invalidated, and until we see the next one, I'm going to be looking for moves down. Of course, we'll keep everyone updated. You're going to want to look for confluence between all the metrics as well. I'll explain more on the live charts why some of these bullish signals are actually bearish right now, and the secret truly is is just called a long squeeze. I'll show you that in a second, but I want to give you access to these metrics. Now, our members are going to get access to the Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Stick with me here. Live charts are going to be crucial. Future forecast videos, trade setups where we're currently 126 wins, 0 losses, Inner Circle live Zoom hangout every single month, and many more benefits are available to our members. And if you want to join, links will be in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page, and the full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Grab a membership now. Price increases are coming soon. It's going to include everything I just showed you, future forecasts, all trade setups, live Zoom coaching every month, access to metrics across all 20 coins, massive discounts on our indicators, and many more benefits. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Here we are looking at the live charts for Bitcoin USD on the one-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Now, if you saw yesterday's Bitcoin video, you're going to know that we are actively testing a massive resistance and seem to be rejecting it. Every single halving event, at the high before the halving event, we see a drop and a move up to retest right here, the 0.86 line on the Fibonacci retracement. It happened the second time right here. After the first event, we got our high, we got a drop and a move back up to retest that 786 line before a move down and the halving event. High, drop, tested that 786 line, drop again before the halving event and parabolic movements. Back here, we got the high, drop to bottom, move up to that line at 786, and now we're just waiting for that move down before the halving event in April. Now, combine this with the fact that whale money is overbought and trades in favor is high with an 82% chance of a drop on that same monthly time frame. This is highly bearish. Heading over to the 1 week time frame, same deal here. Price versus money flow is high, trades in favor is high, and whale money is actively tanking out of the market. Once again, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. And based on the fact that we're actively testing structure support, I think a move down to $31,862 for our previous support back here is highly likely. We got a sell and strong sell signal on the 1 week time frame too. This just further pushes the bearish movement. 1 day time frame though, we see price versus money flow low, trades in favor low with a 69% chance of a pump. Best case scenario for me is we move back up to retest resistance. I'm actually going to turn this line red now. There we go, cleaned up the chart a little bit, but a move up to retest resistance at $40,000 before the next drop is possible, but personally, that is my best case scenario. From that point, I think a breakdown through $38,000 all the way down once again to $31,862. I think we can call that an even $32,000 is possible. But if you watch the future forecast, Travis is going to give you a warning of a much further drop in the market. I'm talking a possible drop to $25,000 is in the cards, and he's going to show you that evidence in the future forecast videos. This is why you do not want to miss that video. While we should be expecting massive drops, they may be even further than we expect in this video. Members only content there, you do not want to miss out. Now at this point, I want to show you how to catch the bottom. As we test these supports, on the daily time frame, you're seeing price versus money flow low, trades in favor low. At this point, I do expect this to be what's called a long squeeze. There is a lot of long trade liquidity. Like I'm talking a ton of liquidity at $38,000. Whales like to hunt this down. They like to go below that level, purposely sell below that level with their own short trades too, in order to take out liquidity and absolutely crash the market even further. When they do this, the goal is to take advantage of the drop, buy at a much lower level in anticipation of the halving event coming up in just a few months. This is what they do to maximize their profit. They're here to hunt down and steal retail liquidity. We are all retail traders here. We need to be careful of this, and that's why we're actually ignoring the 1 day time frame in order to catch the bottom. Instead, what I'd like everyone to do is look at the 1 week and as high as the 1 month, but mainly the 1 week here is what I'm looking for. Once we see price versus money flow low here, trades in favor low, ideally in the long trade zone, and especially if we get a buy signal as we drop, These three signals should catch the bottom on the 1 week time frame, and most likely that will be an ideal place to enter. Now, as this plays out, you need to pay very close attention to these indicators. Hour by hour, day by day, week by week, these indicators have helped us earn 126 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. Absolutely insane what we've been able to accomplish. You do not want to miss out on the next buy opportunity, and right now I can help you get these indicators for up to $550 off. Check this out. Once again, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It'll bring us to the Pro Indicator page. Scrolling down here to the Pro Indicator pack, members get it significantly cheaper than non-members. I'm talking $150 off just as a thank you for signing up with us. Access the coupon code at this link, click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a total $550 discount when combined with the membership code. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in those future forecast videos. Do not miss out.